So now the mechanism of the photosynthesis. In this mechanism of the photosynthesis, the first one is a light dependent reaction, which is also called as light reaction, and it was discovered by Robert Hill. So it is also called as Hill reaction, and it is a photochemical reaction. Means photochemical reaction means by the presence of the light, the green leaves are preparing the food material, that is nothing but the glucose. So it is called as photochemical reaction. Okay. So here in this light dependent reaction, mainly 3 steps are involved. In the first step, you know the structure of the chloroplast. In the structure of the chloroplast, the grana region consists of the chlorophyll pigment. So that chlorophyll pigment will get activated by the photons which are present in the sunlight. Okay, so that is the first step. Second step is the water molecules will split into H plus ions and OH minus ions. Okay, water molecule, which is one of the raw material in the photosynthesis, right? You know the equation, photosynthesis equation. In that CO2 plus H2O. So that is H2O, water is also one of the raw material, right? So that water will split into H plus ions and OH minus ions by the photolysis. Photolysis is the process which is the breakdown of the water molecules by the presence of the light. That is the photolysis. Lysis means breakdown. Light will break down the water molecules into H plus ions and OH minus ions. Okay. The next one is the third step. The third step in the photochemical reaction is the OH minus ions which are formed here in the second step will undergo the series of the changes in the dark reaction. That I will tell later. So the OH minus ions produces H2O and oxygen. Okay. Here the water molecules formed is utilized by the plant and O2 is released as a gas. And the H plus ions, which is H plus is nothing but protons, right? It will undergo the series of the changes in the dark reaction. You know the dark reaction, that is the biosynthetic reaction. At the end of the light reaction, what are the compounds formed are, that is mainly the ATP and NADPH are formed, which are commonly called as assimilatory powers of the reaction. Okay. So ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH is nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So these two are considered as the assimilatory powers. Okay. So these are the mainly 3 steps that will occur in the light reaction. So in the mechanism of the photosynthesis, the next one is the light independent reaction or the dark reaction, which is also called as biosynthetic reaction. So in this reaction, the series of the chemical changes will take place and the glucose is formed. Okay. And this light independent reaction takes place in the stroma region of the chloroplast. It takes place in the stroma region of the chloroplast. So you know, you well know that photosynthesis, in the photosynthesis just carbon dioxide and water raw materials are preparing the glucose molecules. Afterwards glucose is formed. Then how that glucose is converting into starch, that you will come to know in this dark reaction. Okay. So for the preparation of the food molecule, that is the glucose, so many reactions takes place which are called as the intermediary reactions, intermediary steps are required for the formation of the complex molecule. So first, in the dark reaction, the water, in the light reaction I explained you. So by the splitting photolysis, by the photolysis the water molecules splits into H plus ions and OH minus ions. So H plus ions, that is H plus ions will enter into the dark reaction, whereas the OH minus ions ions will help in the formation of the water, and the oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. So these H plus ions will combine with the NADP in the dark reaction and forms NADPH. NADPH plus CO2 by utilizing the ATP energy and produces the glucose molecules. Okay, so in this reaction there are so many intermediary steps involved to complete the process. So like the intermediary products, that is intermediary steps, are nothing but the RUBP, that is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. So like that, so many intermediate compounds are required to complete the reaction. Okay, so in this mechanism I think you came to know about the structure of the chloroplast, what are the parts involved in that, mainly grana and stroma, and what is the mechanism of the photosynthesis, right? So you can conclude now that the plants are the autotrophs because they are preparing their own food material by utilizing the carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my channel so that I can post many videos and you can receive my videos. Okay.